All right, so here's what I've done today so far on the El Camino. I removed the brake booster because I need to put on the hydraulic clutch adapter, the plate there from Modern Driveline or from MC McLeod, not Cloud, yeah. I want to eventually remove the windshield wiper motor. I remove some of the lines because this fender well needs to be painted. That one's not that bad. I'm still going to remove the lines and tuck them back there so I can at least clean it. I've cleaned that side of the firewall. That side of the firewall is really dirty. Still need to remove stuff. Took out the vacuum canister over there. And then here's the vacuum canister. Also the windshield wiper reservoir. There's a vacuum canister. I want a black one. But this brake booster, the rest of these I'll get out. So plug the lines with, and in the engine bay with ear foamies. It's a little trick. So I need to work on the back of that. I don't know how good that is. So maybe get a new one of these. Need to take this apart, paint it. So that's what I've done so far. All right, so I just removed the left inner fender because that's the worst one, and it needs to be painted. I sanded it a bunch. I'm gonna sand the rest of it and paint it, clean the bottom side, and then that gives me a lot more room to work on putting the hydraulic clutch in order that. So I'll work on that, sand that, and it gives me an opportunity to clean more of the stuff in here. So